Today 28 only have come out of 42. Very bad, actually. So first, let us see. I want you all to stand and I'll play a song. You have to do the action along with the song. Ready? Everybody ready? Put your thumbs up if you are ready.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll do the action song, Benedict.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute. Just a
Action
minute.
song.
We'll do one action song. I'll show you. Wait. I'm just checking for playing the song for you. Okay.
What happened?
Able to see, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then everybody ready?
Body.
Ready.
Yes, ma'am.
I want everybody
Let's body boogie, you and me will shake and boogie easily. Shake your head from the top, count to 3 and then we'll stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. Now shake it to the right, shake it to the left. Turn one time, step, 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 go. Body boogie, you and me will shake and boogie easily. Shake your shoulders from the top, count to 3 and then we'll stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. Now shake it to the right, shake it to the left. Turn one time, step, 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 go. Body boogie, you and me will shake and boogie easily. Shake your hands from the top, count to 3 and then we'll stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. Now shake it to the right, shake it to the left. Turn one time, step, 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 go. Body boogie, you and me will shake and boogie easily. Shake your hips from the top, count to 3 and then we'll stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. Now shake it to the right, shake it to the left. Turn one time.
Madam has come. Wait, she's coming. Yosna madam has come, I think. So listen to me, children, carefully, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
In this class, you are not studying anything. We are just talking to you, okay? And madam will come and take your attendance. Hello. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Madam will come and take your attendance. And I want to talk to you before that. All of you. Yes. Now, it is important for everybody to attend the online classes. Not important, it's compulsory. Compulsory means pakka aana hai. Okay? Because see, we are not calling you for 6 hours. जैसे स्कूल में आप 6 hours रहते थे, 8:30 को आने से 2:40 जाते थे, है ना? So 6 hours 10 minutes स्कूल में रहते थे. हम आपको 6 hours नहीं बुला रहे हैं. We are calling you only for 2 periods, 40-40. That is 80 minutes, not even 1.5 hours. 80 minutes we are calling you for the class. That too not on all days. Some days teachers are giving you notes to write, isn't it? So children, the work that is given to you is very less, and I want you all to do it in time. Okay, all of you should complete your work. First of all, you should attend the class. And if you are attending the class, you should come in uniform. You should switch on the video. Some of you, Brahmini, roll number, I don't know what it is. Brahmini, you have still switched on, did not switch on the video. And here also, Rutvika has not switched on the video. G. Rutvika. So children, it is important for you to attend the class. When you are attending the class, you should attend with the earphone. You should wear your, you should switch on the video. You should sit in one corner of the house where there is not much of a movement. And you should complete your work. I request the parents also, if they are listening, to please make sure that the children complete their work. And every day, suppose today you have English class, you will come to the class with your English books and you will show the last page of your notebook to your teacher. Madam, मैंने ये काम complete कर दिया है. ये बात आपको दिखाना है. ये book में आपको दिखाना है. Is that clear to you, children? Benedict, are you listening? Put your thumbs up if you have understood. So I request the parents also to make sure that the children complete their work. I know it is difficult for you, but at the same time, we cannot afford to lose an academic year if this continues like this till January or December. The children will be losing. So we don't want that to happen. That's why we are working hard to see that the children attend the classes and they don't lose touch with their academics. So children, it is important for you to attend the classes. And if you have any problem, in attending the class, you speak to the teacher. मैम, जैसे कि हम स्कूल में लीव लेटर लिखते थे, ऐसे ही आपको लिखना पड़ेगा कि मैडम मुझे बुखार है, मुझे खांसी है, मैं अपने मामा का घर जा रहा हूँ, मैं शादी में जा रहा हूँ. Whatever may be the reason, you will just give the reason to your teacher and then you don't attend. That's okay. Okay? Now, ma'am, I have a request for you also, Josna ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your class strength, madam?
42, 33 have come.
33 में से आप हम दोनों को हटा दीजिए.
30 plus 1, Madhav Mahidar. 31.
अच्छा, 31 only. Out of 42. Third D, no?
Yeah, ma'am. I don't know.
40. Out of 42. So 11 children have not come, ma'am.
Yes,
you just find out, you talk to them personally and find out why they have not come.
Yes, ma'am.
Are they not coming to this class or for all the other classes if they are regular absentees? And
yes,
if they have any valid reason, let them give it to us in writing, madam.
Yes,
if this is the reason, say for example, both the parents are working, they cannot leave the child with a gadget, the child is in some village and there is no way to reach the child, whatever it is. But they have to give us an assurance also. If the child is not attending, it is their responsibility to see that the child completes the work and gets ready for the test. So whatever is the problem, let us take it in writing and keep it with us. Yes. Because we are also answerable and we are putting in a lot of efforts, and despite that, if 10 children don't come in every class, our effort is getting wasted. Children, you tell your friends also that it is compulsory to attend the classes. And if you have any problem, tell your teacher. Ma'am ko bata dena aapka kya problem hai. Ma'am will take care of your problem. Okay? Will you do it? Are you all listening, children? Put your hand, thumbs up. And don't miss your class. Itna maza hai, itna fun hai. अच्छा वीडियोस देख सकते हैं, पावर पॉइंट में पिक्चर्स देख सकते हैं. मैडम इतना अच्छा लाके दिखाती है आप लोगों को. क्या प्रॉब्लम है आने के लिए? घर बैठ के क्या करते हो? बोर नहीं लगता आपको? So you don't do that, okay? Will you be good boys and girls?
One more joined, ma'am. One more joined.
So should I write it as 31? 2?
32.
31 or?
No, 32. Now 33.
I wrote it as that. So if it is for today, we can understand, madam. Maybe for some reason they are not coming. But who are those long absentees? I mean, who are regular absentees? Unse hum le lenge. We'll take it in writing.
Yes.
Why they are not coming? Huh?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Huh? Thank you, children. Thank you, madam. Let me go. Huh?
Okay, thank you,
I'm
ma'am.
leaving. Thank you. Speak to them, ma'am. You'll find.
Yes, yes. Children, did you enjoy the song did you all enjoy the song which I played?
You played one song. I came in the middle.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
I'm sorry.
I
I did
played.
not. I think I have come and disturbed them.
No, no, nothing like that, ma'am. Don't worry.
Okay, sorry. Bye.
Oh. So, did you all enjoy the song? Yes? Okay. Now, I want you all to, we'll play one game. Okay, children? Everybody is ready for the game? Yes? Okay. Now, how we have to play the game? Okay, I'll unmute. Whom? Sriharsha is there? Yes? I'll unmute Sriharsha, okay? Sriharsha, okay? Unmute. How? Now, see how we have to play the game, I'll tell you. One by one, I'll unmute, okay? Children, I don't want anybody to talk, okay? We'll play one small game. Yes, ready? Sriharsha, what you have to do is, from the English letters, you have to, I'll draw some blanks. You have to tell one letter. If that letter is there in the blank, I'll put that letter in that blank. Okay? Yes? I'll tell you now. Able to see the screen, children? Able to see the screen? Yes. Okay. Now, okay. Now, this is an animal, Sriharsha. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, you can start telling some letters, whatever you want to. And one letter, huh? What is the letter? E? Oh, E is not there. So I'll draw one face. You tell, Sriharsha, no problem.
M.
M also is not there. So I'll draw one body.
P.
P.
B. Lance name. A.
No, you don't ask anybody. You have to write, say on your own.
N.
N, na? N.
A.
A, you already said, no?
Banana.
Banana is an animal. Huh? Sriharsha, you tell me one letter. Animal, I said. Animal. What letter? Some letter. From A to Z. Very good. Tell. Quick. Pranavi.
E-L-E.
Huh? L. You said L. L is not there.
E-L-E.
L is not there. Mm. Quick, 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 quick. Just telling the letters, isn't it?
V.
V is not there. See, before this man is completed, you have to tell. Quick, quick, quick.
W.
No.
L.
L you already said. Mm.
B.
D already said, no?
B. 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 M.
M.
M-A-N.
M already over, no? Quick, 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 sir, Harsha.
A-N.
A over. N over. Okay. I'm asking you to unmute. You have raised your hand, no? Come on, tell. Unmute and tell me. Tell.
Dinosaur. Dinosaur.
Very good. Dinosaur. Did you enjoy the game? See, if you don't say this man, this is called the hangman. Okay. See, Harsha, no problem. You know what is a dinosaur? Able to see here? It is a huge, it was some time back, it was here, but now it is not there. It has become extinct. Extinct means now it is not there. Hey, who is that doing here? Somebody is doing this. I can know who is that doing. I can see the names here. Okay, children. So that is called a dinosaur. It is a dinosaur. It was a huge animal. Once upon a time it was there, but now it is not there. Okay. Did you enjoy the game? Did you all enjoy the game? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, yes. Okay. Now, do you all have a notebook with you now? Shall we do one drawing? Let me see who does it. Drawing. Everybody has a book with paper and a pencil. Actually, I wanted you to get color pencils also. I forgot to write in the note. Very easy drawing. Very easy drawing. Will you all do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Some have left, only 30 are here today. I don't know why. 33 were there and now 30 are there. Some left. So everybody ready? Shall we draw? Shall we draw and color? Afterwards, I'll see who all have drawn. You have to show me in your screen like this. You have to show me. Okay? Okay. Ready? Yeah. Able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm drawing something. Draw. Draw. Draw, children. Because at the end of the class, I'll be seeing your notebooks. See, I am also drawing. I want everybody to draw. What is this? What is this? What is this?
Yeah, what is that? Fish.
Nobody knows.
Yes.
Did you all draw?
అంతా అవన్నీ కూడా ఇప్పుడు చూపిస్తుంది.
I'll be seeing your notebooks now. I will color also. I want you all to color it also.
బయట డబ్బా ఉంటుంది చూడండి. అది కాదు. అది ఏమి చేస్తున్నారు?
See, I colored it already.
కలర్ కూడా తీసుకుంటా బాబుని. కలర్స్ రిటర్న్ ఫర్ డ్రాయింగ్ ఇక్కడే. నాకు డ్రాయింగ్ ఏదైతే పెడుతుంది ఇవంతా మొత్తం
No talking. Abhinav, no talking. Abhinav is talking. I am able to see who is that talking. I colored it. How many of you colored it? Tell me. I made a colorful fish. How many of you made it? How many of you made it? How many of you made it? I'll see. Okay. Now listen to me, everybody. Listen, children. See, today is Saturday. That is why we are having fun day class. That's why we did some action songs, some drawing, some quiz. But the other days, we are having regular classes. Isn't it, children? So you must come regularly to the class. All of you understood that? It is for you we are doing, isn't it, children? I'm unmuting, okay? Okay. So, Vanshika, did you understand? Every day you have to come. Attend all the classes. Avyuk, understood? Yes, Avyuk? Did you draw, Avyuk?
Ma'am, keep it again. I didn't.
It's all right. It was just for fun. It was just for fun. Okay. Now I want everybody to see. Very nice. Nandakishore has already completed. Very good. Very nice. And here Vasudha also has completed and she has to color it. Very good. Very good, Ruchit. Very nice. Very good, Saiful. Very nice, Chandrika. So you enjoyed the class today?
Yes.
It was just fun class, Benedict. Benedict, look here, huh? Understand. G. Rutvika, I'm not able to see your video. Please switch on your video, Rutvika. Okay, children.
Drawing pink for mouth.
Chandrika, you can draw. Don't say I don't know. Nobody should say I don't know because you must learn. That's all. Okay, children. Now listen to me. Monday again we are going to have. Tomorrow is Sunday. You can enjoy. No problems.
This whole body
But tomorrow we are going to Monday. We are going to have class. You must come to the class. I want all 42 to come. But here I find very good Vignesh, very good, beautiful.
But the 42 didn't listen.
So, but 42 did not come today. Isn't it, children? Only 30 have come now. Some are coming and going. That is also very bad.
Ma'am, Piritvika not come.
What is it?
Ma'am, Piritvika not come.
Piritvika did not come, yes.
Ma'am, I draw fish.
Very good, Hitesh. Very good. I drew the fish. I drew past tense, no? So, children,
Ma'am, I drew, ma'am. I draw.
very good.
Ma'am, the game that we played for this is called Hangman.
That is called Hangman. Very good, Amyut. Very good. Clap for Amyut. That game is called Hangman game. And we once played in second class. We did play in the third class also. Yes? Not third class. We played in the second class. When we were in second class, we played that game. Yes? Now, because I'll see if we can play one more time. But I think it is getting time. It's going to exit now. Only 4 minutes time is. So, now I'm going to.
Ma'am, my fish is done.
Your fish is done. Very good. Very good. Okay. I'm very happy. Did you all complete the notes, children? Thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thumbs up. If you have completed all the notes, English you have completed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hindi? Hindi?
Yes, ma'am.
Maths?
Yes,
EVS?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Don't say, just
Yes,
put
ma'am.
thumbs up, okay? And are you able to understand, Himanshu, are you able to understand all the subjects which is taught? English, are you able to understand?
That only I joined then.
Yes, ma'am.
With ma'am then.
Hindi? Hindi, Cycle, are you able to understand? Math, Madhav, Mahidhar. Listen. Are you able to understand maths?
Yes, ma'am.
EVS?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have any problem in understanding any of the subjects?
No, ma'am.
No, you are able to understand. Are you able to attend the classes without any problem?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So,
Yes, ma'am.
next time when you are coming Monday, which is the school uniform? The regular uniform. Yeah? Not the Friday uniform. Okay, today is Saturday. Okay, Monday you are going to come in uniform. No civil dress. Okay, children? And we are going to, yes, English we are going to have online class. Okay, children? Yes, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, just 2 minutes more. Did you enjoy the meeting with the teacher? Did you all enjoy the meeting with the
Yes.
teacher? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you enjoy seeing your friends? All your friends are here. Are you able to see your friends also? Yes. Some more friends.
Sometimes. Sometimes.
See here, so many friends are there. Vignesh is there, Loitaksha, Sakshi. Then we have Pranavi, Chandrika, Chandana, Samya, all are there. Very good, Loitaksha. So, Tejvardhan is there. So, everybody is able to see, isn't it, your friends? So, I want everybody to come to the online classes, enjoy, learn, because we are going to, yes, bye.
I joined.
Yes, I have seen Loitaksha. I have seen Loitaksha. Children, I want everybody to attend the classes. Online classes you have to attend compulsory. Have a nice day. Enjoy your day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, finished coloring.
Very good.
Finished.
Color it. Bye, children. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. Benedict.
You too. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Jessica.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, Saiful. Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Yes. Enjoy just Sri Karthik.
Bye, Madhav. Bye, Shamada.
Bye, Madhu. Bye, Mahinder. Bye, Jitesh. Thanks. Bye, Jitesh.
Bye, Jitesh.
Bye, everyone.
See,
Bye,
Nandakishore is
bye.
our new student. Nandakishore, he has joined our
Nandakishore,
class.
bye.
What is his name?
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Have a wonderful day, children.